Actually, what I want to do in the millennium here is to flash it back a long way back here. This is a kind of an evening like this when we were sitting around smoking some good doob. And I suddenly got this joint from Paul Butterfield, and he said, smoke this. And I did, and I got this song out of it. And I ran back to the studio, and Jerry Garcia and Grace Slick and Jack Cassidy played this with me at one time. We never played it for a long time. Then it started appearing in motion pictures. People requested it, and I'd like to do it for you tonight. Summer had inhaled and held his breath too long. The winter looked the same as if it never had gone. And through an open window where no curtain hung, I saw you. Yes, I saw you. Coming back to me. One begins to read between the pages of a look. The shape of sleepy muse, and suddenly you're hooked. Through the rain upon the leaves, kisses on the run, yeah. Saw you. Yes, I saw you. Coming back to me. If you came to stay, live my way. Scatter my love like the leaves in the wind. You always say you won't go away, but I know what it always has been. It always has been a transparent dream beneath an occasional sigh. Most of the time I just let it go by. Now I wish it hadn't begun. I saw you. Yes, I saw you. Coming back to me. Strolling the hills, overlooking the shore, I realize I've been here before. The shadow in the mist could have been anyone. Saw you. Yes, I saw you. Coming back to me. Small things like reasons are kept in a jar. Whatever happened to wishes wished on a star? Was it just something that I made up for fun? Saw you. about you. Coming back to me.